Usually we have artists, but this is a different kind of entertainment, and they're going to be big. Richie talks to Tanda Twinz.
Make one of your jaw, jiggle, 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 then I'm making it a jaw, jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Dancehall have two new superstars right now, the Tanda Twinz, one of the baddest dance mix right now. Right now, we can talk to them intense there. Go right night right now. Tanda, what Tanda mean?
My name is Anastasia. Most people can't pronounce Anastasia, so I just shorten it and say Anna. I'm Anastasia, so as what she said, shorten it. So when I say Tanda Twinz, why not say Tanda Twinz? Spicy, right?
Yeah, so talk to me now. I want to start the journey right now.
Well, we start from a tender age, and from grade 6 we start JCDC. We go little theatre, big up Sir Carson because him also push we as well, and we love that. Is him and him still in the game, and I hope him always there. And we go all Grand Gala.
Grand Gala, we go perform big Grand Gala on stage. Yeah, we'll be excited.
Independence Day load.
Yeah, and we did dancehall, also Africans. So you don't have great things as well.
Before we go into the dancing segment, we want to look about the twins them right now. You get me I say? First of all, where they come from, that one know to.
Born in England, Bristol, and we grew up Jamaica, which is Central Village, Chinatown, White Mall. Yeah, so basically.
Alright, so we start up. How old on be right now?
18 years of age.
Oh, I'm fairly young, man. So, on the dancehall style right now, I know some of the most the male version of dancing. You know, really twerk and them stuff, and you know, it kind of fit them. You know, you can't stay away from it, but we want to know what the reason why not really the more the feminine type of dance.
Because female out there, I do a lot of that, like, I'm tired to see them shake up, we want something different.
We can do female dance, but we just don't choose to.
So it's a mixture of both. Because you mentioned, say, you do African, you do all different kind of cultural.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Basically.
So, like, Grand Gala now, what was the experience for you right now?
First, I can say for myself, JCDC was amazing. And when we literally first, actually me enter a stage, a crowd is like,
Nerve.
I get nerve, but yet I'm excited. It's just, I can't explain the feeling, but I actually did it.
Who could step somebody? Is it like you two want to create them together, or you have one that says, oh, you do a way or do a style?
We just made some music, and we say, all right, catch a style here. I'm say, all right, give me a next style. She give me a next style.
Say, together, done, we like, done.
Also, you work off a beat and tempo?
Yeah. And like, literally I dance, so the person say like it connect. So even if we're upon a huge audience and don't remember the step, we remember the man
the beat. Yeah.
So we just lift it.
Hey, Talia, you hear that, Talia? You hear that? Them girls that teach you dance, here? You tell her from now.
Definitely.
So what's your style now? Bam. Give me a move on the crate, myself, if I know, say, yo, once you hear about a movie, we can think of Tanda.
Tippy Twins. Definitely. That's
Triple
the
touch.
main dance. Tippy Twins and Triple
The triple touch, Charlie?
Triple touch.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I know that.
that's it. And we have our next one, I go viral on TikTok. It also come in the paper. Yeah, the star, Tippy Twins.
Tippy Twins.
What?